Why do I get hiccups?
That's your breathing muscle acting funny. There's a muscle under your lungs called the diaphragm.
The die?
The diaphragm! Your diaphragm suddenly jumps like this.
That little jump makes hiccups?
Yes, that's what causes them. When air jumps upward fast, your voice box closes quickly.
And that makes the hic sound?
Exactly. Hiccups can happen when you eat too fast.
Because I swallow air too?
Yes, that extra air can trigger hiccups. Hiccups can also happen when you drink fizzy drinks.
Because of the bubbles?
Yes, the bubbles can trigger hiccups. Hiccups can also happen when you laugh a lot.
Because I swallow air while laughing?
Yes! Don't worry, hiccups usually stop by themselves.
My body fixes them?
That's right!
Follow for more fun science!